Do you want to know how to tie a super strong knot in less than 10 seconds? Then keep watching this video. Hey guys, it's the Barefoot Angler. Hope you're well and good to see you all again. If you're new to this channel, I post videos on fishing sessions, tutorials, tech and reviews. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie the locked blood knot, which is a super easy knot to tie. And once you practice, you'll be able to do it in less than 10 seconds. Let's get into it. Alright, step 1, get the tag in through the eye of the hook and have enough tag to work with. Then step 2, do 6 twists. Now if you're using heavier leader, you can get away with 4, but 6 is the sweet spot. Step 3 is to get the tag in through the loop that's created next to the eye of the hook. And once you've done that, that will create a larger loop, as you can see. And then you bring the tag in back through that loop. And then you pull it out as so. So the next step is to lube up the line with some spit. I haven't done this for this video. And once you've done that, then you gently pull until the line is cinched up, like so. So if you've done it correctly, the tag end will sit 90 degrees from the main line. So the last step is to cut the tag end off and make sure to leave a little bit of tag at the end. Now this is a super strong knot, guys. It should not let you down, and once you master it, you can get it done in less than 10 seconds. Alright guys, so now you know how to tie the locked blood knot. Give that a go and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you learned something today and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to share this with a mate who always gets busted off because of a bad knot. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you later.